For homeowners in Nampa, maintaining a comfortable home while keeping energy costs down is a top priority. With the area's hot summers, chilly winters, and fluctuating temperatures, investing in energy-efficient windows is one of the best decisions you can make. Modern energy-efficient windows not only reduce energy consumption but also enhance the comfort, beauty, and value of your home. If you're considering an upgrade, here's a guide to the best energy-efficient window options for Nampa homeowners. Double pane and triple pane windows. Single pane windows are a common culprit of energy loss in older homes. They provide minimal insulation, allowing heat to escape in winter and enter in summer. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows dramatically improves energy efficiency. Double pane windows. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with an insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, sealed between the panes. They significantly reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Triple pane windows. For even greater insulation, triple pane windows add a 3rd layer of glass and an extra layer of insulating gas. They are ideal for homes in areas with extreme temperature swings or noise pollution. By reducing heat transfer, double and triple pane windows lower the strain on your HVAC system, resulting in lower energy bills and greater indoor comfort. Low emissivity glass. Low E glass is a game changer when it comes to energy efficient windows. This special coating is applied to the surface of the glass to reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. In summer, low E glass blocks the sun's infrared rays, preventing excess heat from entering your home and keeping your indoor spaces cooler. In winter, the coating reflects heat back into your home, reducing heat loss and helping you stay warm. Low E glass also blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. For Nampa homeowners, this feature offers year-round energy savings and long-term protection for your home's interior. Gas-filled windows. Energy-efficient windows often feature an insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes. These gases are denser than air, providing better insulation and reducing heat transfer. Argon gas. A cost-effective option that provides excellent thermal insulation. Krypton gas. Offers superior performance in smaller spaces, making it ideal for triple pane windows. Gas-filled windows improve energy efficiency, minimize drafts, and enhance comfort, especially in Nampa's diverse climate. Insulated window frames. While the glass is important, the window frame also plays a crucial role in energy efficiency. Traditional window frames, like aluminum, often conduct heat, leading to energy loss. Modern insulated frames help prevent this. Vinyl frames. Affordable, durable, and energy efficient. Vinyl frames provide excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable and resistant to warping or cracking. Fiberglass frames offer superior insulation and are ideal for homes in climates with temperature extremes. Composite frames. Made from a blend of materials, composite frames combine the strength of wood with the low maintenance of vinyl. Choosing insulated frames ensures a tighter seal, eliminating drafts and reducing energy loss. Energy Star certified windows When selecting energy-efficient windows, look for the ENERGY STAR certification. ENERGY STAR windows meet strict standards for energy performance and are specifically designed to save energy in your region. For Nampa homeowners, ENERGY STAR certified windows ensure lower energy bills, reduced heating and cooling costs, improved comfort, elimination of hot and cold spots caused by poorly insulated windows, environmental benefits. Lower energy consumption reduces your home's carbon footprint. Investing in ENERGY STAR windows is a surefire way to improve energy efficiency while contributing to a more sustainable future. Custom window coatings for Nampa's climate. Nampa's sunny summers require windows that can handle the intense sunlight without overheating your home. Window coatings like tinted glass or solar control films can help reflect sunlight to reduce solar heat gain. Lower cooling costs during the summer. Maintain clear, unobstructed views. These options work well in combination with low-E glass to optimize your windows for energy efficiency and comfort. Professional installation makes a difference. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not properly installed. Gaps, poor seals, and misalignments can result in drafts and energy loss. That's why professional installation is essential for ensuring your windows fit perfectly and function as intended. Professional installers in Nampa understand the local climate and use best practices to maximize the energy-saving potential of your new windows. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows. Replacing your old windows with modern, energy-efficient options is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Nampa home. From double-pane glass and low-E coatings to insulated frames and ENERGY STAR certification, there are countless options to improve comfort, lower energy bills, and enhance your home's value. If you're ready to make the switch, consult with a professional window installation team in Nampa. They can help you choose the best energy-efficient windows to suit your home's needs and ensure a seamless installation process. Start saving energy, increasing comfort, and making your home more eco-friendly today with new, energy-efficient windows.